Hi, I'm Jinha, AIFD contributor of Florist Review magazine. For my new column, Ready Set Design, I'd like to introduce the new sketch and score method and how to apply it in formal linear design. The sketch and score is an answer to meet a surprise package challenge, as it is a regular component of floral design competitions for earning professional credentials. You create your own portfolio of design templates, flexible, pre-evaluated design ideas adaptable to different materials and situations. This month's example of a design template is in formal linear style. Formal linear style offers you the best opportunity to demonstrate expert execution of all the principles and elements of design, all within one design. It features strong lines that leads the eyes to the focal area where you can showcase a variety of artistic techniques. In this particular design, the primary line is created with a spitz strap foliage wire to hold it upright and give it a pleasing curve. The second line with a combination of yarrow and pear leaf natural wrap by Oasis, mounted on peaks. The focal area showcases plucked sunflowers and green cymbidium orchids, accented with crispidias, croton leaves, white and yellow mums, orange spray roses, and circular medallions made with coiled aluminum wire. Small monstera leaves balance and complete the design. Thank you for watching. See you next month's Florist Review Ready Set Design.